All right, so this problem may look a little complicated, but it really isn't because you guys have done this before. You need to determine the area of the shaded region, so just the yellow part. So what is it asking for? Area of shaded region or shaded area. All right, so what's the formula for area? Area equals, you got to go up to insert, special characters, type in pi, go over here to pi, r, and then we go up to format, text, superscript, squared. Okay. Now this is where it gets a little bit more complicated. Not really, but it'll feel that way in the beginning, but it really isn't. So we are looking for the shaded region. Well, we need to figure out, we have two circles here. We have this bigger circle that has a 12 millimeter, or not millimeter, but 12 meter diameter. And then we have this smaller circle that has an 8-meter diameter. Diameter is a line that goes all the way across. We can't use a diameter in area, we need a radius. So for the smaller circle, I need to find my radius, which is half of my diameter. So I am going to, just so I can show you, okay, so here, for this small circle, radius equals diameter divided by 2. My radius equals 8 divided by 2. Radius equals 4. So that's my small circle. Oops, I don't want to do that. There we go. All right, so now you have your radius for your small circle. For your large circle, your radius is the same, diameter divided by 2. My diameter is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So now you have your radius for your large circle. What you're going to do is you're going to find the area for your small circle. You're going to find the area for your large circle. And then you're going to subtract, not substitute. You're going to subtract to then have the answer. So then you're going to put the area for the shaded region is, and then that's going to be the difference. I'm not going to do this one for you. I want you to do it on your own. I did give you this information. You remember pi equals 3.14. Don't forget that, because we've been doing that this whole time. So here's your small circle with the radius, large circle with a radius. You have to solve for the area for your small circle, solve for the area with your large circle. Just type your values in to here. Go back to the other problems to try and figure out area if you forgot. I don't want to hear, I don't know. I don't want IDK typed anywhere on here. You have references from this lesson, from last lesson, from all week long. We've been doing circumference and area. So you have references. You have places to go. You need to take the time to go back to those places and look if you're unsure. We know that we just multiply across. You're going to subtract the area of your small circle and the area of your large circle. That's going to give you this answer right here. Because taking away the small circle from your large circle gives you that shaded region. That's what you're going to do. This is as far as I'm going to take you with this question because I know that you can do it. Make sure that you show your work. So what you can do is substitute the values you know. I would probably just put the area of your small circle minus the area of your large circle. Show your work here, and then go ahead and type in your answer there. I should have put 2 columns. Sorry, I didn't do that.